As the number of COVID cases soars, experts say there are 4 essential keys to slowing the spread.
They are social distancing, mask wearing, testing, and contact tracing. So is Georgia doing enough? Well, the answer is no, but help may be on the way.
We in Georgia haven't invested in the public health infrastructure that we need.
Georgia State's Dr. Harry Hyman is frustrated.
As a result, when something like COVID occurs, we're kind of behind the curve.
Behind the curve and looking for a way out. Dr. Hyman says contact tracing is the key. There are even apps developed to help.
The challenge with that is it really requires everybody participating, and it also requires people being willing to allow themselves to be tracked in a way that the government is able to tell, where they were for a given period of time, something that people obviously may have concerns about.
State health officials certainly have their concerns, enough so that Georgia has opted out of a program aimed at helping the U.S. in its contact tracing efforts, courtesy of tech giants Apple and Google. These powerhouses that normally compete with each other are working together, designing a contact tracing app using Bluetooth technology to measure contact between people and issue a warning should one of them later test positive for COVID. Cybersecurity expert John Bloomer says while concerns about privacy are valid, it depends on how it's used.
The key is what information is being shared. Is it being shared voluntarily or involuntarily? And how broadly is it broadcast? So the devil's in the details.
Georgia may be saying no to the app for now, but the state is doing contact tracing. Residents who test positive are asked to go to the state's website and list the people they've come in contact with. Those people do get follow-up calls.
But Dr. Hyman says if we want to get the pandemic under control, now is the time to ramp up testing capacity and contact tracing.